How to delete Aternos server. So first of all, open up a browser in your device and then search for Aternos server. Click on the first link on the search results and from here click on play at the bottom right corner. Then you may be asked to log in, so simply create an account if you don't have an account yet and then log in. After that, if you're already logged in, and you will see all your server on the Aternos server under your account. So from here, choose the server that you want to delete, and on next to that server there is this pencil icon. Click on it. After that, you will have this delete icon on the server. You have to click on delete, and for the confirmation click on yes. And with that, now you have deleted a server in Aternos server. And that's how you can delete server on Aternos server. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.